Welcome back to another review, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Jada Fast and Furious 1967 Chevrolet el Camino RC from Fast X. USB 2.4 GHG. +6 from Jada bag. Also available since 1967 Chevrolet El Camino Furious 10, which I got. Like and Hyper Sports, Doom's Ice Charger, Brian's Toyota Supra, Doom's Dodge Charger RT, Brian's Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 34, Doom's Dodge Charger RT, Ladies Dodge Challenger SRT, Ladies Chevrolet Corvette. Let's open it up.
It's a
Here's instructions. Here's the truck. Here's the remote control. I really like this RC car. It's probably the coolest thing ever. If you never talk about how cars do, it goes really fast. Now, some people notice that the car is kind of a nice design. If you never talk about, you ever heard about, you never seen it. This is probably the coolest thing ever. Now, if you know that Jada has a lot of RC remote control toys, I bet it is some kind of a Fast and Furious one, and that's what we know. If Jada makes the most cars in the world. Thanks for watching the Jada Fast and Furious 1967 Chevrolet el Camino RC. Bye. I mean, remote control. Bye.